there is a horrible, I mean, the paint isn't brilliant. There is a lot of dull edging that we'll work through. There's a lot of acid rain marking across the car, but it looks like someone's used a scouring pad on the bonnet. There. I mean, that's just picking it up on the camera. It is rough. So what we're going to do, we've got 5-10 minutes. We've marked out a little test patch. Try and get some results. So, since we got a few comments last time, we have lubed up the pad again. Chemical guys, pad conditioner. Lube it or lose it. For a compound, we're going to go fast gloss, just to see what sort of cut we can get. We're actually mixing it because we're using a soft pad. Try not make a mess everywhere like I already have. Literally, it's a small test patch. We're just going to see what sort of cut we can get across this. It is a very small area. This compound seems to have gone off a little. Let's work it and see what happens. One thing is very clear straight away. There is some marks under the lacquer. This has probably had some paint. It has got 57, I think it was, 1,000 miles on it. That paint is soft. That paint is really soft. I'm glad we haven't gone much harder. It's also really scratching really easily. Some of that mark is well into the clear coat. So just about there. The camera's going to focus. You can just see that is through the clear coat on it. But generally, for a pass, that's not bad. That is a lot better than it was. So the other really bad part of this is, I'm going to come across the hood. I'm not going to try this now. This is what we're going to try later on. We're in a little bit of negotiation to try and get the clutch done maybe this week with a little bit of luck. That needs a little bit more refining, but you can see it's got some clarity to it. But you can also see, focus, focus, focus. There's a few little dots. Find out where are we. So these little dots are in the top lacquer coat, but for 30 seconds just to see what sort of cut we get compared to, you can see it in the top line, just to bring a little bit of clarity back across it, sharpen it up. That will do pretty well. That is very soft paint though, very soft. So literally, it is only a test patch. We're going to leave it there because the car needs a full clean before you really do it. But it's good. It's good to see we can get some marks out of it. One of the other worst parts on this, apart from, you can see it's a little bit too bright out. Get the other way. Again, it doesn't show up on cameras. There's a lot of acid rain marks across the glass. Okay, you could see them through it. But the spoiler, well, is causing the boot lid to rub ever so slightly in there. So we'll address that as well. And it'll be interesting to see what we can get done across this bumper. Not jobs for now. Coming later in the week. I'll let you know what happens with the clutch, because that may be fairly imminent. Also got a very good friend's Evo 6 coming in, just to see what we can do with parts of it, to be honest. So I'll leave you with that thought. I'll leave you with a out of focus camera, and I'll see you later.